You need to watch this if you love DIY projects and great sound. Let's build a Bluetooth speaker from scratch. First, gather your materials: a Bluetooth module, amplifier board, speaker drivers, a lithium-ion battery, a charging module, an enclosure, and some basic tools like a soldering iron and drill. Ready? Let's get started. Choose your enclosure. A wooden box or PVC pipe works great, but get creative. Plan your layout to fit all components comfortably inside. Next, connect the electronics. Solder the Bluetooth module to the amplifier board and attach the speaker drivers. Connect the battery and charging module and install a power switch to easily turn your speaker on and off. Now prep your enclosure. Drill holes for the speakers, power switch, and charging port. Secure everything inside with hot glue or epoxy, ensuring all wires are tucked away neatly. Time for the final touch. Test all connections before sealing the enclosure. Decorate your speaker to make it truly yours. Pair it with your device and enjoy your tunes. Like, subscribe, and share for more awesome DIY projects. Rock on!